Hi guys, welcome to the channel and welcome to another tractor review. Right, so I've been thinking I need to up my game a little bit really. I haven't done a John Deere yet and I reckon half of you out there are all John Deere fans, so let's face it, you've all been brainwashed. Here it is then. Today we're looking at the 6250R. So I'm going through a bit of a different walk around today. So the rear tyres in are a 710, the front tyres are a 600. You can see he's got a 2-ton front weight hanging off the front there, and he has 500 on each wheel, so that's a ton on the back. I think he needs all of that for that 8-leg Grange Subsoiler there. And the farmer has custom fitted his own press on the back there, looks very smart. And as probably standard with most top range John Deeres, we have a really good light package. John Deere Green Star RTK GPS, and we have 4 spools fitted to the back. This 250 is fitted with front PTO. We have 2 spools fitted on the front. So that was a bit different for me, running around while it's working. Very tiring. It's quite fun really, having a look as it's working, seeing what it's got fitted. So that is quite a high spec 6R there. I believe it's an ex-demonstrator, so they usually spec them quite fully up really. Now for a look inside. Oh, you're fat boy.
15 stone, mate.
I can't even fit you on the floor now. Right then, farmer, how do we go?
Button back of the joystick.
Yeah.
Pull that in.
Yeah.
Push forwards. And then just start going forwards.
Yeah.
Knock it right, and you'll hit your cruise speed. Push 12 button.
12.
Yeah, this one. For your 12. GPS.
Yeah. So you've got 12 as your GPS.
Yeah.
Very nice.
The A is
up and down.
Well, yeah, up and down on your iTech.
Yeah. This is the first time I've used a command arm. Can you tell?
Yes. Once you get your head around what does what, it's decent bits.
Very nice. So what we've got going on, obviously Gen 4 screen.
Yep.
What have we got going on here then? So there's our cruise control speed.
Yeah, that's just your default run page, just gives you your general information.
Your spools up there, that's pretty obvious.
All 6.
Front linkage,
yep.
Locked off, rear linkage.
Yep.
And we're down to 15 to 18%. So how deep are we? 8, 9 inches, you see?
Yeah, 8, 9 inches.
Very snaz. Very snaz. And we're on a headland curve GPS line.
Yes.
Very futuristic. Not even steering around the headland.
No, why would you do that?
And how far it's come now, isn't it?
Yes.
Quick run through this armrest then. So what we got going on here? So 4-wheel drive.
4-wheel drive diff lock there.
PTOs.
PTOs. 2 and 3 spool valves next to them, but you can assign them to do other spool valves.
Yep.
Then you got
joystick you was on about
fancy joystick, what you can assign anything to.
I really do like this though. I'm still getting used to it, but I really do like this.
You've also got buttons on top of the joystick where you can assign stuff to.
And these like assign anything, I mean like lifts, GPS,
yep.
Pretty much everything.
Pretty much anything. Yeah. Spool valves, link arms. The only bit you're good at is flicking right.
Marks out of 10?
What, flicking right?
Right.
10 out of 10 on that one.
I'm going to stop here now.
Yeah. Put it back until it clicks. There we go.
Because that's enough. Well, thank you very much for your tutoring.
Something like that.
I've learnt a lot. It's nice to drive the Command Pro. I haven't driven that before, used that before. It's not the revs back there. Got to save the fuel. But I'll let you carry on with that.
Thanks.
Because that's blocking up quite a lot.
Yes. Welcome to my world.
Quite a bit of hellish subsoil in there, isn't it? It's got to be done though, isn't it?
Got to be done.
Up.